Today I'm going to be doing some fall type things. I'm going to try to see how many autumn, fall type things I can do this weekend, and just record little snippets for you guys. I thought that would be fun. I thought that it would lift my mood a little bit. I know I look rough right now. I just got out of the shower and my face is a little red. I'm about to throw my hair up and I'm going to make some spiced apple bread. So I won't have much time to do this, so I'm going to just take a couple little snippets of videos for you guys. So this part of the video probably won't be very long. Alexa, set a timer for 35 minutes.
35 minutes, starting now.
And for the topping, we have some caramel syrup and some pear honey. So I went to the Dollar Tree with my mama and the kids and just got home and got some Subway, got a meatball sub. I'm gonna sit down and eat and watch Reba. So that's what I'm doing. Hey, so I didn't really film as much as I meant to this weekend. I just got kind of busy and filming wasn't really the top priority. I have hiccups right now, sorry. But I wanted to film a little bit today, but today I'm mainly going to be cleaning the house, kind of doing like a reset day. I try to do reset days on Mondays and Fridays, basically just do all the surface cleaning and mop the floors and things like that. So I probably won't be filming a whole lot today, but I did want to make a proper outro for this video, considering I didn't really film that much this weekend. We did decorate our kitchen, mainly our kitchen, for Halloween yesterday with the kids. Me and my mom helped the kids decorate. So I'll show you guys that here in a little bit once I clean the kitchen. And I'm fixing to um, give my niece her breakfast. So I will see you guys in a little bit. So here are the Halloween decorations that we helped the kids put up in the kitchen. We had a lot of fun this weekend doing several fall activities. I think I'm gonna end the video here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you'd like to see in the future.